Hello, dear students. Today we will see the problems on iteration method. This is the last topic in Unit 3. These are the four problems in iteration method. First problem, find the positive value of x cube minus 2x square minus 4 equal to 0. Second problem, 3x is equal to square root of 1 plus sin x. Third problem, x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. Fourth problem, cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. In this session, I will explain second and third problem. Yourself will solve the first and fourth problems. Today work is you have to solve first and fourth problems. If you have any doubt, call to me. Working rule, iteration method. Suppose we have equation f of x equal to 0. X naught is the initial root, f of x equal to 0. We will rewrite the equation as x equal to phi of x. Suppose 3x square minus 3x equal to 0. We will write that equation as x equal to something, x equal to phi of x. This is the first point in iteration method. We have to rewrite the equation x equal to phi of x of the form. Next, we will compute the derivative of that phi of x, phi dash of x. If phi dash of x at x equal to x naught less than 1, then the iterative method can be applied. The successive approximation is given by x n equal to phi of xn minus 1. This is the working rule for iteration method. Once again, suppose we have given the equation f of x equal to 0. X naught is the initial root of f of x equal to 0. How we will compute x naught? One value it is f of x is positive, for some x value it is negative. The root lies between those two. We will consider the in between value of those two values. Rewrite the equation x equal to phi of x. If phi dash of x less than 1 at x equal to x naught, then this method can be applied. We will see this in detail at the time of explaining the problems. Example 1. Find the positive value of x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0 using iteration method. Initially we will assume that let f of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 1 equal to 0. At x equal to 0, f of x value is minus 1. At x equal to 1, f of x value is 1. So the root lies between 0 and 1. Not only 0.5, we may assume 0.1, 0.2 or 1, anything. The root lies between 0 and 1, so I am assuming the initial value is 0.5. Here three possible cases are there. The given equation can be expressed as x equal to f of x form. Okay, x cube plus x square minus 1, x cube equal to 1 minus x square, x is equal to 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 3. This is the one way of expressing the given equation. Second case, x square equal to 1 minus x cube, x equal to 1 minus x cube whole power 1 by 2, phi of x equal to 1 minus x cube whole power 1 by 2. We are doing, this is the first method, that's why I am explaining all the cases. Case 3, we will take the x square common, 1 plus x minus 1, x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x, x equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x. Here phi of x. For the first equation, I have computed the derivative of phi of x. What is the value of phi of x at 0.5? I am computing this value means it is less than 1. So this method can be applied for this phi of x. For second equation also, we will get the same value less than 1. For third equation also, x equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x, we will get the phi of x, phi dash of x at 0.5 less than 1. For three methods, the value is less than 1. Any one we will take, case 1 or case 2, case 3, any one we will get the answer. Here in this problem, I am considering phi of x equal to 1 by root 1 plus x. This is the important one. No need to, in exam also, no need to perform three methods. Just we will take the one means, we will solve that is enough. Okay, here I am considering phi of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x. Let phi of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x. Put x equal to 1, x1 equal to, this is the formula, xn equal to 1 by root of xn minus 1, x1 equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x naught, that equal to 1 by root of 1.5, that value is 0.81649, x2 equal to that is repeatedly I am applying this formula. X2 equal to 1 by root x plus 1, simplifying the expression. X3 equal to 1 by root x plus 2, simplifying this expression. X4 equal to 1 by root 1 plus x3, I am simplifying this one. X5 equal to 1 by root 1 plus x4, I am simplifying this one. Up to 4 digits, this value is equal 7548. So same process repeated for 6th and 7th iterations also. We will get the value, the approximate positive value is 0.7548. This is the solution for the first problem. 6 iterations, just this is the, I am considering phi of x is equal to 1 by root 1 plus x. Repeatedly, previous value I am substituting in the next value. I will get the value 0.7548. This is the answer. Next, example 2. Find the positive value of 3x equal to square root of 1 plus sin x using iteration method. Okay, let f of x equal to 3x minus square root of 1 plus sin x. X equal to 0 means it is negative, minus root 2 means some positive value. 3 into 0 means 0, negative value. At 1 it is positive value. Therefore, the root lies between 0 and 1. X naught equal to 0.5. X equal to, from this equation 3x minus square root of 1 plus sin x, that x equal to x we will write as 1 by 3 into root of 1 plus sin x. Phi of x equal to 1 by 3 into root of 1 plus sin x. Whether this iteration method can be applied or not, we have to check whether iteration method can be applied or not. If it can be applied, phi dash of x at x naught less than 1, the iteration method can be applied. Otherwise, we cannot apply this iteration method. Once again, whether to this problem iteration method can be applied or not. For phi dash of x at x naught, it is less than 1. Modulus of phi dash of x at x equal to x naught less than 1, then we can apply this iteration method. Otherwise, we cannot apply iteration method. Here phi dash of x equal to 1 by 3 into, this is the derivative part, square root of 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 into square root of sin x plus 1. Phi dash of x, phi dash of 0.5, 0.699, which is less than 1, so the iteration method can be applied. Phi of x equal to 1 by 3 into square root of 1 plus sin x. Okay, I am doing this one iteration process. Phi of x is equal to 1 by 3 into root of 1 plus x. X1 equal to phi of x naught. Initially x naught equal to 0.5. The root lies between 0 and 1. I am considering 0.5. Sometimes you may consider 0.6 or 0.3, any value, no problem. Phi of 0.5 equal to 0.4054. X2 equal to phi of x1. X3 equal to phi of x2. X4 equal to phi of x3. Phi of x3 equal to 1 by 3 square root of 1 plus sin x2. Using that, I am computing repeatedly. I will get the value finally 0.3919. Therefore, the approximate root of the equation is 3x equal to square root of 1 plus sin x is 0.3919. This is the second problem. At the description of this YouTube video link, we have got the solution to these two problems. The example today, all of them have to do the remaining two problems. First, note these two problems in the notes, and next two problems we will see. Next, for next week, we will see in second unit, one of the large problem, biggest problem among all the problems, the biggest problem, orthogonal transformations. We will see the problem on that problem. Okay. Today, all of them do the first and fourth problems. Note these second and third problems in notes. Thank you.